Bird flu, also known as avian influenza, is a virus that primarily infects birds. This virus can be found in both wild and domestic birds, affecting their respiratory, digestive, and nervous systems. It's been around for a long time, with various strains emerging over the years. Some strains are mild, causing little to no symptoms in birds, while others can be highly pathogenic and deadly. Occasionally, bird flu can spread to people, especially those who are in close contact with infected birds or contaminated environments. This is rare, but when it does happen, it can be serious, leading to severe respiratory illness and even death in some cases. There are many types of bird flu, each caused by different strains of the influenza virus. These strains are classified based on the proteins found on the surface of the virus. One particularly concerning type is called H5N1. This strain has caused significant outbreaks in bird populations and has also infected humans. H5N1 is the type we are seeing in the news lately, as it has the potential to cause widespread illness and economic impact. It's important to learn about bird flu so we can stay healthy and take appropriate measures to protect ourselves and our communities. Bird flu can make birds very sick, causing symptoms like coughing, sneezing, and a drop in egg production. In some cases, it can even be deadly for them, leading to large-scale die-offs in bird populations. That's why we need to be careful and prevent the spread of this virus through measures like biosecurity, vaccination, and monitoring bird health. By taking these steps, we can protect our feathered friends and ensure they continue to thrive in our world. Bird flu spreads easily among birds. This highly contagious virus can move swiftly through a flock, causing widespread illness and even death. It can spread through their saliva and droppings. When birds peck at food or drink water, they can leave behind traces of the virus, which other birds may come into contact with. When a bird with bird flu coughs or sneezes, tiny droplets containing the virus go into the air. These droplets can travel short distances and land on surfaces or be inhaled by other birds. Other birds can breathe in these droplets and get sick. The close proximity of birds in farms and aviaries makes it easy for the virus to spread rapidly. Humans can get bird flu if they have close contact with infected birds. This is especially true if they handle birds without proper protective measures. People who work with poultry, like farmers, are at a higher risk. They are often in environments where the virus is present and can easily come into contact with it. It's important for these workers to wear protective gear to stay safe. Gloves, masks, and other protective clothing can help reduce the risk of infection. Bird flu does not spread easily from person to person. This means that while it is a serious concern for those in direct contact with birds, the general public is at a lower risk. There have been very few cases of human-to-human transmission. These cases are rare and usually occur in very specific circumstances. However, scientists are always watching for any changes in the virus. Continuous monitoring helps ensure that any potential mutations are quickly identified and addressed. Bird flu symptoms in humans are similar to regular flu symptoms. You might have a cough, fever, or muscle aches. Some people experience nausea and vomiting. In severe cases, bird flu can cause serious breathing problems. If you think you might have bird flu, see a doctor immediately. There are antiviral medications like Tamiflu that can help treat the virus. Early treatment is important for the best outcome. Scientists are also working on vaccines for bird flu. Vaccines can help prevent people from getting sick in the first place. It's important to stay informed about vaccine developments. There are things we can all do to protect ourselves and our communities from bird flu. It's important to stay informed and take proactive steps to minimize the risk of infection. First, always wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water, especially after handling poultry or being around birds. Proper hand hygiene is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of viruses. Cook poultry and eggs thoroughly. Ensuring that your food is cooked properly can significantly reduce the risk of bird flu transmission. Make sure the meat is cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a meat thermometer can help you verify that the food is safe to eat. This will kill any virus that might be present. Proper cooking is essential for food safety. Avoid consuming raw or undercooked poultry products. Raw poultry can harbor harmful viruses and bacteria. If you see a sick or dead bird, don't touch it. Handling sick birds can expose you to the virus. Contact your local animal control or health department. They have the expertise to handle the situation safely. They can safely remove the bird and test it for bird flu. This helps in preventing the spread of the virus to other birds and humans. Reporting sick birds helps track the spread of the virus. Your vigilance can make a big difference in controlling outbreaks and protecting public health.